In this video, I'll be showing you how to teleport to a village in Minecraft. To start, you will need to have cheats or commands enabled. This is done when you first create your world. Now, you need to find the coordinates of the village. Press T on your keyboard to open the text menu. Then type slash followed by locate, then another space. Now type structure and another space. Next, type village underscore, then the biome you want the village to be in. Alternatively, select one of the options shown here. I'll be selecting the plains biome. Press enter, then wait a few moments and the X and Z coordinates will appear on your screen. Open the text menu again, then type slash TP space, then your username followed by a space. If you're playing single player, then you don't need to add your username. Type the X coordinate shown here, followed by another space. Now we need to guess the Y coordinates. This is how far above sea level it is. If your Y coordinate is too high, then you'll spawn in the sky. And if it's too low, then you may spawn underground. I typically go with 70 or 80, but there's no guarantee this will work. Add a space, then enter in the Z coordinates. Send the command and you will be teleported to the village. If you spawn too high or too low, then open the text menu and press the up arrow key to retype your last command. Increase the Y coordinate by 5 or 10 if you're underground, and decrease the coordinate by 5 or 10 if you're in the sky. You now know how to teleport to a village in Minecraft. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.